This video will show how to remove and replace the grills, the left, center, and right grills on a soundbar. Tools you'll need is a screwdriver or a screw gun. Screw gun, set the torque to the lowest setting, 1 or 2. You'll need the center grill screws, extras, or you can use the ones that come out of the grill. Box cutter, box tape. Place the box, the carton, on the table, protected table, upside down. Keep the carton upside down for the starting of this process. Remove the 2 foam caps and place them in front of the carton. Foam caps will be your working surface. Remove the sound bar. Place one end down. Gently undo the bag. Place the bag on the foam tray. This demonstration speaker has the center grill already missing, but it will be required that you remove the center grill. The way you do that, remove the thumb nut at one end of the speaker. Support the speaker from underneath and remove the side grill. Okay? It's very important to understand that the scrim inside, the cloth inside, is only glued to the back of the grill. And when you're reinstalling the grill, the scrim can be damaged on these sharp endpoints here. So keep that in mind. I'll show you how to do it without damaging the scrim. Take your replacement grill. Support the speaker from underneath the center. Carefully slide the center grill onto the speaker. Support the center grill and the speaker both from underneath. That way there's a lot of gap above that sharp surface and it won't damage the scrim as easily. If you find any sort of resistance, stop. Just don't push any further because it's likely you're gouging the scrim. Okay, now when you get to the side over here, push down on the center. Push down on the center of the side grill. Slide the center grill over the top and into place. Now with your screw gun set to the lowest torque, put in the center screw first. That ensures that all the holes are aligned on the rest of the grill. Center screw on the other side, and now you can work your way in from the corners. Okay, double check that all screws are in place. Now it's time to install the side grill. This is detail of the side grill. You'll notice there's a little hook here and a little hook here. Those features mount into this track here and this track here. That's why it is important to hold from the end so that you can squeeze and get those features to engage in the track easily. Otherwise it's rather tedious. Just like so. Check your work. Make sure there's no damage to the scrim. That would be seen in a black mark where the scrim has been pulled away underneath. Check that all the screws are in place and rebag the product. The product goes in with the grill facing outward, so oriented in the carton. The grill faces towards the bottom of the carton. Reinstall the end caps. Close the box. soundbar is finished.